Hi class! Okay, I told you that I would be doing a short video to talk to you about our memory book assignment. So here it is. Your first memory book page looks like this. What you want to do is click where it says type your name, and it will be a text box. So you want to select this text and erase it. So click delete and type in your name. So I'm going to write my name, but you will type in your name. Says my 2020 memory book, the year we didn't get to hug goodbye. You're going to want to keep this memory book because this will be a year to remember, friends. If your families have been picking up the packets, this would have been a great opportunity for you to pick up this packet because you could do this memory book and keep it forever on paper, or you can keep these slides and print them as well. The next page looks like this, all about me, my favorite lunch. You're going to click here and type in what your favorite lunch was. It could have been a lunch from home or a school lunch. Then you're going to click over here, your favorite animal. It's fun to put these things down because in second grade, your favorite animal might be one animal, and then when you get to the end of third grade, it might change, or it might stay the same. Your favorite color goes here. Your favorite subject, that would be your favorite thing to learn during our school day. And then any family members, so you want to write their names in here, maybe younger brothers or sisters, older brothers or sisters, mom and dad, grandma and grandpa, whoever you live with, you can type that in there. And then on the next page, you can write in this first box your favorite toy. On the book, you're going to talk about your favorite book, and then some words to describe you, maybe creative, adventuresome. One of the words that maybe your friends would use when they describe you as a second grader. Next page, you are going to write your names of your friends. And if you don't know how to spell their names, that's okay. Just sound it out and do your best job. And then on the bottom box, you're going to write down what you like to do with your friends. So what do you play with your friends? What's your favorite activity? Then the last memory book page looks like this, and you're going to click right here and then type about a time that you felt special this year. It could be at school or at home. Maybe you received an award for Student of the Month. Maybe your name was announced by Principal Stell when you were Student of the Week. So you're going to go ahead and just type a time when you felt special. Then today you're going to go ahead and log on to Imagine Learning. Work on your science. Mrs. Cowan has made this video for you so that you know what to do in science today. And then you're going to end the day with your math. Work hard, friends. This is our last week together.